Welcome to another exciting video of imorph tutorial series. Today we will talk about web analytics. It shows you the data about visits, which is equivalent to users, then the page views, page load time, and as well as web vitals. For each one of them, you can select a time frame to analyze. In the visits section, it shows you visit summary. You can choose number of users, referrer, or host, or see things country wise, and also choose many other options like device type. If we come down, we will see a detailed view of the same, from referrers to paths to country, browsers, and everything else, both in short and long form. Very similar case in case of page views as well. Only difference is the previous one talked about unique users and this one about number of page visits. Moving to the third option, that is page load time. We can see plenty of data about page loading and rendering. You can easily decide whether it is the volume of your first byte or the rendering complexity that is slowing your website down, and take actions accordingly. To make your website even better, we have the fourth option, that is Web Vitals. In this section, you can see core Web Vitals analysis, such as largest contentful paint. You can see how much improvement is needed and how much is in real poor condition. It also gives you a debug view to help you find things better. You can also see other Web Vitals like first input delay and cumulative layout shifts. So that is it for today. Hope you like this analytics section. See you in the next video.